Feeling overwhelmed by endless cooking, cleaning, and kitchen chaos? These genius Amazon kitchen gadgets completely changed how my kitchen runs, saving time and energy every single day. From smarter prep to effortless cleanup, each one is designed to work for you, not the other way around. All products are linked in the description below. Spices stay fresher when they're easy to reach. This wall-mounted spice container set clears up drawer and counter clutter in one move. Each clear jar lets you see what you need, scoop it out with a built-in spoon, and close it back up fast. The sealed lids help keep flavors fresh and dust away. You hang it without drilling, and your kitchen instantly feels cleaner and more organized. Scrubbing dishes doesn't have to be messy or tiring. This soap dispensing palm brush fits right in your hand, so you stay in control while you clean. You press the top, and soap flows straight to the bristles where you need it. The sturdy brush tackles grease without scratching your cookware. When you're done, it sits neatly in its holder, keeping your sink area clean and drip-free. Greasy soups don't have to end up on your plate. This clever oil-separating ladle helps you scoop food while letting excess oil stay behind. You dip, lift, and pour, and the design naturally keeps grease out of the flow. The soft silicone head is safe on nonstick cookware and comfortable for you to hold. It's easy to clean, simple to use, and makes everyday cooking feel a lot lighter. Passing dishes across a long table just got smarter. This expandable lazy turntable lets everyone reach food without stretching or asking. It spins smoothly down the center, so you simply rotate and grab what you want. The heat-safe, non-slip surface keeps plates steady while moving from kitchen to table. It sets up fast, stores easily, and turns family dinners or parties into a relaxed help-yourself experience. Chopping vegetables doesn't have to slow you down. This all-in-one vegetable slicer lets you cut, shred, and chop right into its built-in container. You press the lid, and the sharp blades do the hard work for you. A handguard keeps your fingers safe while you move fast. When you're done, everything stores neatly inside, so your counter stays clean and clutter-free. Dumpling night just got a whole lot easier. This manual dumpling press helps you flatten, fill, and seal dumplings in one smooth motion. You place the dough, add your filling, press it shut, and you're done with a perfect edge every time. The comfortable handle gives you control, so you don't struggle with uneven shapes. You can use it for dumplings, empanadas, or ravioli, making homemade cooking feel fun instead of frustrating. Turning a regular cup into a kid-friendly sippy is easier than you think. These stretchy silicone straw lids slip right over cups you already have. You press it on, add a straw, and you're ready to go. The snug fit helps keep spills in the cup instead of on your floor. Made from soft, durable silicone, it's safe for everyday drinks and perfect for travel with you and your toddler. Meet the cutest helper on your stovetop. This playful crab utensil holder grips your spatula or spoon, so you don't have to leave it dripping on the counter. Made from heat-resistant silicone, it protects your hands from hot handles while keeping messes under control. The flexible claws hold tools securely as you cook. It's easy to clean, fun to look at, and makes cooking feel a little less chaotic for you. Leftover fruit finally gets a proper cover. These stretchy silicone food savers slip right over cut produce to seal in freshness. You just press them on and skip the plastic wrap completely. Different sizes hug everything from lemons to tomatoes with an airtight fit. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and help you waste less food without cluttering your fridge. Fresh pasta made right in your hands. This cordless electric pasta maker presses dough into smooth, even noodles in seconds. You load the dough, press a button, and watch pasta form perfectly every time. Different molds let you switch styles easily, so meals never feel boring. The built-in battery makes it portable, meaning you can make homemade pasta anywhere you feel inspired. Squeezing fresh juice shouldn't feel like a workout. This sturdy hand press pulls juice from citrus and other fruits with one smooth push. You get more juice with less effort thanks to the ergonomic handle design. The solid metal build feels reliable and won't bend with regular use. When you're done, a quick rinse is all it takes to clean it up. Perfect egg slices every single time. This multi-mode slicer lets you cut hard-boiled eggs into clean rounds, wedges, or neat cubes in one press. You just place the egg, close the lid, and let the sharp wires do the work. It also handles soft foods like strawberries or mushrooms with the same ease. Less prep, less mess, and plates that look chef-level with zero effort. Rotisserie magic without cords, plugs, or fuss. This cordless rotisserie kit spins your food evenly using a simple wind-up system. You load the basket, set it, and let it rotate for up to an hour on its own. Wings, veggies, or roasts cook evenly on all sides without constant flipping. It works indoors or outdoors, giving you hands-free, eco-friendly cooking wherever you fire things up. Tiny tool, big strawberry win. This clever huller pops the stem out in seconds with a simple push and twist. You skip the knife entirely, so your fingers stay safe while you prep. It works great on strawberries and other soft fruits, or small veggies too. Cleanup is easy, so you can spend more time enjoying fresh snacks, desserts, or homemade jams. What if your pantry could think for you? This smart storage system measures and dispenses dry ingredients straight into your bowl with digital scale accuracy. You choose volume or weight, and you get the exact amount every time. The airtight containers keep food fresh while helping you stay on track with portions. It even remembers your last settings, making baking and meal prep smoother and faster. Peeling peas and beans just got way easier. This manual pea sheller uses a hand crank and suction base to stay steady while you work. Just turn the handle and watch fresh peas or beans get separated quickly and effortlessly. It's simple, compact, and saves you the hassle of doing it by hand. Built sturdy and easy to clean, it's perfect for busy kitchens and garden fresh veggies. Slicing onions doesn't have to be tricky or tearful. This stainless steel onion holder keeps the onions steady while you cut, giving you even slices every time. Sharp tines grip securely so your fingers stay safe and out of the way. It works on tomatoes, avocados, eggs, and even meat for tenderizing. Lightweight, sturdy, and dishwasher safe, it makes chopping faster, safer, and stress-free. Mornings get smarter with this sleek touchscreen toaster. You tap the screen, pick your setting, and watch the timer count down so there's no guessing. Extra wide slots handle bread, bagels, or frozen slices without squeezing. Special modes toast bagels just right or defrost straight from the freezer. When it's done, a gentle sound lets you know your toast is ready. One small gadget, a whole lot of kitchen help. This handheld electric chopper lets you slice, chop, whisk, and mince with the push of a button. You can break down veggies, garlic, fruit, eggs, or meat in seconds without dragging out multiple tools. Sharp blades do the hard work, so your cuts stay quick and even. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes everyday prep feel effortless. Fresh citrus juice doesn't get easier than this. This electric juicer works hands-free with a single press, squeezing oranges, lemons, and limes for you. The motor spins quietly while extracting more juice with less effort, perfect for calm mornings. Just place the fruit, close the lid, and let it do the work. Cleanup is quick since the parts rinse clean and the body wipes down in seconds. Stubborn jars don't stand a chance against this clever helper. This under-cabinet jar opener grips lids tightly so you don't have to strain your hands or wrists. You just twist, and the opener does the hard work for you. It's perfect for anyone with weak hands, arthritis, or limited grip strength. Always within reach, it makes opening jars feel effortless again. Pouring oil shouldn't turn into a guessing game. This pump-style oil dispenser gives you clean, controlled pours with every press. Clear markings show exactly how much you're using, so you don't overdo it while cooking or dressing salads. The glass bottle feels sturdy in your hand and won't drip all over your counter. Use it for oils, vinegar, or dressings, and keep your kitchen neat and precise. Powder everywhere? Not anymore. This scoop and funnel combo lets you pour powders straight into bottles without the mess. You scoop, slide, and everything drops cleanly through the funnel into place. It works great for protein shakes, baby formula, or even refilling pods and jars. The long handle makes one-handed use easy, and it fits bottles with small openings. Simple, smart, and way cleaner than a regular scoop. Rolling meatballs by hand gets old fast. This Meatball Shaper lets you press seasoned meat into perfectly even portions in seconds. Every piece comes out the same size, so you get consistent cooking without guesswork. You can cook them right away or freeze them and pop out only what you need later. It's dishwasher safe, freezer friendly, and makes meal prep way less messy. Homemade baby food doesn't have to feel overwhelming. This one-step baby food maker steams and blends in the same bowl, so you just add ingredients, tap the screen, and let it work. Built-in presets handle fruits, veggies, meat, or fish, locking in nutrients while turning everything into a smooth puree. When you're done, the self-clean mode rinses the mess for you with just water. It's safe, simple, and gives you full control over what your baby eats. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.